All right, good morning. We got priority check-in here. This is for gold and platinum. Little VIP lounge. They got coffee in here. Nice little lounge. Check in. Cooler full of water. So we're gonna grab a coffee and hit the floor.
Yes. Do you want one of these fancy ones?
Yeah, I want a fancy. I want whatever this is. Hot chocolate cafe mocha. Let's go cafe mocha. Look at this. Need one of these in the house, honey. You're just getting regular coffee.
Yeah, I just want coffee.
All right, whatever you get, make it happen.
Pack your bags, 'cause we're heading way out west to the city that never takes a rest. Dawn and Heather, we're gonna have a blast in the neon lights where the memories last. From the strip to downtown, we'll explore it all, sharing every moment, big and small. Vegas vlogs, watch us take on the town. With every video, the excitement's found. Make it happen with Dawn, hey yeah. Dawn and Heather, living life without a care. We're chasing dreams, gonna hit that super grand. With every jackpot, making memories grand. Make it happen with Dawn, hey yeah. Dawn and Heather, living life without a care.
Alright, we got quick hits, we got the reels up and the firecracker. Let's go. Come on. Quick hit. Quick hit, quick hit, quick hit, quick hit. Alright. We need a whole bunch of fun. Now more extra. Oh. Quick hit, quick hit. Where's all my extras? Alright, we got three more. Three more, come on. Quick hits. Good morning, everybody. It is day 2 in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. Guess where we are? At the Henry. We're going to have a little breakfast, and then who knows what the day will handle? Have in store. Offer us. Whatever it is, we will make it happen. I had no time for that. You know what you're getting?
I think so. I'm gonna get a $20 piece of toast.
$20 avocado toast.
Avocado toast.
Guess what I'm getting, guys? You got it right. Short grams, eggs, Benedict. So how was yesterday and last night? How was last night?
It was good. I was exhausted.
Exhaustion set in,
Oh yeah.
but we hung out with Mark and Simone.
Yes.
from
Very nice
Australia.
seeing them.
It was awesome to see them again. And I don't know what we have in store for today.
I don't know. It's they have a heat advisory right now. It's 115.
115.
Yeah, like a legit heat advisory.
What's the real feel?
I don't know. I didn't look.
Oh.
When it's 115, you don't need to look.
That's true, guys. Once it's 115, doesn't matter if it's 120 or 110. But we're inside where it's nice and cool, and we're gonna have some breakfast. So we'll see you in a little bit. All right, guys. You can't see me, but I'm doing a happy dance right now, and that's why. And look at this. If you're gonna get expensive toast, it better look like this.
It's beautiful.
Clean Plate Club. I'm officially a member of the Clean Plate Club. Let's see what's going on over here. You gonna fit it?
No.
You're not gonna get a sticker. I got a sticker.
Oh my gosh, that was so good. Woohoo! So good.
Always so good at the Henry.
There's Tracy and Brian.
Clean Plate Club.
Not so much.
But
I
she
tried.
did an excellent job.
I did, I tried.
We're gonna head up to the room and get some tennis shoes on and head over to the Bellagio for a little bit. So we'll see you over there. Look at this. You never know who they let into the Cosmopolitan. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Brian and Tracy Palinkas.
What's going on, everyone?
Let me see something here. What do you got?
Fireball.
What is that?
Frozen energy.
Frozen energy. All right, these guys are making it happen. Heather's about to make it happen.
Heck yeah.
And my middle name is Make It Happen. See you in a little bit. All right, guys, after a delicious breakfast, what you can hope for is the double Tiger Dragon bonus. Let's see what happens. Let's go. Come on, open it up. 2. I don't know how I open them up. I hope I find out. I need one more. There we go. Yep. Yep. Good, thank you. Come on, bunch of coins. I've never had this feature. Come on. Give me one more. One more, please. Thank you. Oh my gosh, if I get to the top, it's a whole row. That's excellent. One more. Do it. Oh, please give me one. One. Why, yes. 3 more. Can I get to the top? 3. Come on. I gotta have 1. 1. Everybody say 1. Oh. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, the arrows are good. Come on, arrows. Arrows. So whatever they line up to, like that's $10.96. That's 5 something, but those arrows will make that bigger. Arrows up top. Green. Yeah. All right, go faster. There you go, $10. Come on. Go fast. Okay. $16. $10. 92 cents. 63 cents. $1.12. 7.67. And 18. There you go. $56. Look at that. Guys, we're getting a bonus here. Oh no. Maybe just good money. Come on. Go. Get the green. Get the $43. $53. $63. $73. $83. Okay, come on, keep going. $93. $103. $113. Yeah, let's do this. Nice work, he says. Nice work. Thank you. Tiger bonus. $14,000 if we hit this, honey. Come on. Boom. Oh. Last chance saloon. Oh, okay, we got multipliers coming. Oh, that was exciting. Come on, 5. All right. Oh, let me give you 1. 5. Oh. That's a good one. Alright, here we go, making it happen. So you know, Brian here did all the picking. $115. It was really close to $14,000. Look at these guys. Make it happen. All right, we're in again. See what we got here. Maybe we get the $14,000 this time. Ooh, that's a $50. Nice. Ooh, $250 minus. Make it happen. Do it again. Okay. How about major? Honey, put your finger on the screen. All right, that's pretty good. Epic fortunes. Oh. 345. Yeah, look it up. $800 Cheeto. Thank you, fella. All right, we want a little bit of money. We got a celebration drink. That crazy waitress asked me if I wanted whipped cream. Everybody wants whipped cream. Cheers, honey.
Again.
Heather got a glass of coffee.
Espresso martini. It's just in a whiskey glass.
All right, it's going to be a good night. We also want to say hi to Dave and Kat from Australia. We just met them right here in the Cosmopolitan.
Happy birthday, Kat.
Happy birthday, Kat. They're here for 2 weeks, so how amazing. So good luck to them and make it happen. All right, I'm on this new Bacon Riches game. I got 10 free games. I got a double puck, nug, and boost. Let's see what we get. Come on. Let's go. Do something good for me. There we go. Miners 37, minis 1250. There's another miner. That's a good first spin. $10. Let's do it again. Trigger. Up, up, up. Come on. 6 more. Boost. Oh, it's boosting them. All right, nice boosting. 5 more. Oh, make it happen, Biggie. There we go. Come on. Give me a shaky. Come on. Boost. Yeah. Boost. Yeah, minor. Boost. All right, 3 to go. Come on. Come on, go. Boost it. Boost. Boost. All right, last spin. Here we go. Make it a going. Come on. Yeah, I love it. Come on. Give me a maxi. 250 maxi. Boost. Nudge. Boost. Come on, boost the mini. $300. I'll take it. Way to go. Last spin on the Monopoly game. Sorry I came in late.
Nice.
Just wanted to show you. $800.
See you next time.
Go wild.
Nicely done.
Make it happen. I love this place. Bellagio, here we go. So I'm shooting this currently on the brand new DJI Osmo Pocket 3 gimbal. It's got a 1-inch sensor, which is supposed to be good in low light. And the lighting is not good up here. And I think this camera is fantastic so far. However, I'm just looking at a little screen. So when I get home and edit, I will know if it's worth it. It's also got tracking, so watch if Heather moves away from me. Look at that. Follows her.
Ooh, my
at
husband
that.
and his toys.
Do a pirouette. Wait, it's going to follow me now.
Watch out, dog. Sorry.
Whoops, I'm sorry. We almost had a vlogging accident. I was demonstrating my tracking and I almost ran into that fella right there. But he was a good sport about it. He didn't punch me or nothing. So what are you excited about at Bellagio?
I want to see the conservatory.
Yeah, I hope it's new.
And I hope we have a little bit better luck there.
Lucky, lucky. I got my hat. I got my Makeithappenwithdon Live Lucky hat, so I'm certain that we will. We'll see you over there. Woof.
No, because it is an excessive heat warning, we're going to take the Batcave entrance over to the
That's
Bellagio.
an excellent point you're making. Chelsea Handler's here. She'll handle all your comedic needs. And if you need the Despicable Me shrink ray, it's right here at the Cosmopolitan. All right, we'll see you over there. Wicked Spoon. All right, if you're new to the channel, this walkway right here will take you to the Bellagio or the Vidara, left to the Vidara, right to the Bellagio. It's 115 degrees out. You can stay cool by not going outside, and that's special.
Right, and bring a hoodie or a sweatshirt, 'cause it's freezing inside every one of these casinos.
Only if you're a snowflake. Sorry, no hoodie here. 'Cause I'm hot-blooded, check it and see. I got a fever of 103. right, we're not in Kansas anymore. The Bellagio.
Crazy.
It's a little busy. I believe the Ford Motor Company's having a big convention. So I wouldn't be surprised if all these folks are from Ford. Looking dapper. All right, we're going to try to get into the belly of the beast. All right, baby, let's do this. We're here, let's make it happen.
Sounds good.
Well, we're leaving the Bellagio. We didn't win anything.
Nope, nothing.
I don't know about this whole Vegas place. I'm starting to think that maybe they're about making money here.
Yes, honey, I think they are.
I used to thought it was about fulfilling hopes and dreams.
Listen, you just won a super grand like 6 months ago.
Yeah, well, I thought that would happen every time.
No.
So it's not about hopes and dreams. It's about them making money, I guess.
Yes.
And they're making some of mine.
Yes.
And they're making some of yours.
Yes.
But I still have hope in my heart and $1 in my pocket, so
There you go.
let's make it happen over here. All right, this is the lovely walkway back to the
I love
Cosmopolitan.
the floors. They're so pretty.
See? This is what she's referring to, the floors. Because when you go to Vegas, the thing you should look at most is the floors.
Everything's beautiful.
It's, you're beautiful, it's true. All right, here we go. This way to Audiio, Madara. This way to Bellagio. This way to Cosmopolitan of Las Vegas. And more beautiful floors. All right, we'll see you inside. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you just entered Makeithappenwithdon elevator cam. This is where we dance in the elevator. Come on. Woo. Ba, 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 ba. Okay, we're going to Scarpetta for dinner tonight. Anybody want to comment below? What do you think Heather's going to get? Tell them.
Spaghetti.
Shucker. Ooh, let's look for a little Red Riding Hood. There she is. There she goes. There she is. There she goes. Oh, she's over here. What does she look? Oh, there's the wolf.
Look at the size of the wolf. That wolf is terrifying.
Is that Jake?
Oh no, that's a big wolf.
Comment below, Team Edward or Team Jake? There he is. Ow! We gotta go play Timberwolf. Guess where we're having dinner? I'll give you a hint. Scarpetta! Alright guys, it's gonna be exciting. We're excited. Heather's gonna get.
Spaghetti.
Look at there they are. Here comes the guest of honors. Oh my gosh, what's Brian wearing?
I like it. He's all dressed up. He's swanky.
Did you know how to do those buttons? Look at this good-looking group right here, huh? Happy birthday, Brian.
Yeah, let me get a picture of you. Give me your phone.
Happy birthday soon, Heather. And it's not my birthday. I don't have birthdays anymore.
Forget about it.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, Heather surprising everybody with
Spaghetti.
All right.
thank you, thank you, thank you.
With brown butter sauce and fresh grated pork.
Oh, and the Lottie. Look at this. Tracy got king crab risotto
Yeah, with
with champagne sauce, some mushrooms. Brian got the eggnog. Bon appetit.
And it's got a lemon cookie, a hazelnut, a pistachio, and then a pistachio and cherry.
All right.
Happy birthday to y'all.
I was calling. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Ready? Make a wish.
I'm still here. Okay, that's going to do it for another video. What a great time we had in Las Vegas with Brian and Tracy Palinkas. You know, we haven't been lifelong friends with Brian and Tracy. We actually met them at the airport. Turns out they watched our channel and approached us, and now we go on trips together. So that's a lot of the fun of Vegas vlogs. You meet some great people. We've met some amazing people from all around the world, and we can't be more excited about it. But we had some good slot wins, little bumpy start to the trip with the room smelling and different things like that, but everything got straightened out. We were taken care of on all that. We had a great lunch at the Henry, great dinner at Scarpetta. I mean, Scarpetta, mwah. Oh, excellent, excellent Italian food at Scarpetta. We highly recommend Scarpetta. And we checked out the Bellagio. The conservatory was amazing. So we had a good time. So we're going to head over to the Fontainebleau. Next video will be at the Fontainebleau, a little bit of Resorts World to continue on our trip. But before I go, I want to take a moment to talk about the Live Lucky hats, Make It Happen with Dawn style. The folks at Black Clover couldn't be nicer. I want to let you know that inventory was running low, so I just placed a new order. Spoil alert, new styles are coming. Very excited about the new styles. So usually takes a week or two to get them delivered to us, and then I will have them posted on the site. But if you're interested in one of these hats and you want to live lucky, I'm going to link the website above, Makeithappenwithdon.com. Just click on the shop button, look through the inventory, and pick out your hat. I will tell you this, that everybody that buys these hats send me emails. A lot of them repeat orders. A lot of them say it's the best hat they've ever had. The quality is second to none. As you know, I wanted to have merch, but I wanted to have quality, and we certainly hit that mark with the Black Clover. So thanks to Matt over at the Black Clover Company for helping us out with these hats. Hopefully, if you're interested in ordering one, you'll enjoy it. I know you will. And thank you, everybody that buys a hat, for supporting the channel. We couldn't do this without you. So now I'm going to say, live your blessed life because you are blessed. And we are blessed to have subscribers like you. Subscribe to the channel. Click that thumbs up. Give us a like. And if you don't mind, share our videos with some other people. Thanks for watching. Check out the slideshow and make it happen.
It's a brand new day. Let's make some magic. Come with me. We're on a journey. We're on a ride. Together we'll conquer and reach new heights. Make it happen, make it loud. We're unstoppable, we're so proud. With every like and every share, our subscribers show that they care. Make it happen, come on and sing. With hearts of gold, we're spreading our wings. You're the reason we're having fun. We love all our subscribers, each and every one. From east to west to across the globe, our channel's growing, don't you know? You're the stars that light up our screen. You inspire us, make our dreams gleam. Make it happen, make it loud. We're unstoppable, we're so proud. With every like and every share, our subscribers show that they care. Make it happen, come on and sing. With hearts of gold, we're spreading our wings. You're the reason we're having fun. We love all our subscribers, each and every one. From east to west, across the globe, our channel's growing, don't you know? You're the stars that light up our screen. You inspire us, make our dreams gleam. Make it happen, make it loud. We're unstoppable, we're so proud. With every like and every share, our subscribers show that they care. Make it happen, come on and sing. With hearts of gold, we're spreading our wings. You're the reason we're having fun. We love all our subscribers, each and every one. From east to west, across the globe, our channel's growing, don't you know? You're the stars that light up our screen. You inspire us, make our dreams gleam.